Very good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Lunch? Huh? Okay, Parvati, can you name the 3 media through which sound travel?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Air,
Yes. Okay, can you play now? Ready, 1, start.
Can you hear?
No, you have to take your microphone close to the this thing. You take out your microphone and keep it. At least. Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, were you able to hear?
ma'am, on faint sound key. Faint sound key.
You play something, then we will able to hear. Yeah, you keep it that one side and you place. Yes. Can you keep that microphone close to that? Then you use your both hands, please.
What about now?
Okay, you just
We
play.
can hear. We can.
Okay.
Ma'am, what should I play?
Anything which you like, any notes or something, what you played, what you learned, any note.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, very good, Tanmay. Congratulations. Now, Tanmay, I will tell you. You play according to that. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Now I want you to play the same note little more faster. Faster. Even that tune is gone, it's okay. But you just give a fast note. Any note. Maybe 2, 3 notes you can give. You don't. Okay, enough. Tanmay. Children, I am just making Tanmay to play 2, 3 notes in different pace. Okay. I will be asking the questions later on the basis of that. Okay. So Tanmay first play the music. Okay. Now Tanmay, I told to play faster. Okay. Now Tanmay, can you play slowly? Very slowly. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, good. Tanmay, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you just play not out of the pitch, out of the tune? Can you play? You start happy birthday, but you go out of that tune.
Okay, ma'am.
Start. Mm.
Ma'am, just random keys.
Ah, yes, yes. Random base. You give random keys. It's okay. Mm. Okay. Can you give little more faster random keys? Fast. Fast. Little more fast. Not enough. Mm. Mm. Ah, okay. That's enough. Sarigama enough. Okay, little more faster. Mm. Little more. Yes. Okay, good. Little more.
Ma'am, more faster?
More faster. You are not so fast enough as I want. Good. Thank you. Thank you, Tanmay. You'll be wondering what happened to this ma'am. Making me mad. Is it so? Yes. Thank you, Tanmay. You are a very good key player. I hope you are going for classes. Do you? Or you broke in between because of online classes? Are you going for daily practice?
No, ma'am.
You have to go daily, Tanmay. You are beautifully playing. Okay. Your hands movement is okay. Play. Okay. So I think today I only I am with the Tanmay. Others, 4 of them. Isa, don't worry. Your violin, his keyboard. I know what is the difference between violin and keyboard. Okay, Isa? Okay, fine. Okay, children. So one more thing I wanted to tell you. So this is what I'm trying to say. Tanmay has played for a different level of notes. Some faster, some notes, and some are very slow and out of pitch. In all these spaces, did you hear the sound is alike? Is it sound is same?
No.
No. Yes. You heard it differently. Different voice and different tone. So there are some things you have to know. What are these? All these things require. So we are going to learn the important terms of sound. You have to learn. So these are the 5 important terms of the sound. That is what? And each instrument, okay, like a keyboard, it's okay, but violin is little different. So according to each keyboard, all the instruments are divided into different category. So there are mainly 4 category of instruments. So these are the musical instruments what you see in your ordinary life. You can see the violin, guitar, sitar, and all this produces different sounds of different pitch, we say. Like, when the boys and girls sing together, whose voice will be more heard? Is it boys' voice or girls' voice? Girls' voice. Girls' voice, how it is? Is it very screeching sound? That means high?
High pitch voice.
Yes. What about the boys?
Low pitch voice.
Yeah. So that is something is different between you, boys and girls, your sound production. That is also part of your study. We are going to that part later. Now we come to the what Tanmay played. So each instrument have different vibrating body. So we told sound is produced due to different vibration. These are some of the examples like veena, stretched string, sitar, stretched string, violin also string, guitar also string. But like tabla, mridangam, drum, jazz, those are beating things. They have stretched membrane are the vibrating body. We call that skin, which we cover with the guitar, mridangam, tabla. That we call membrane, stretched membrane. That means they can be stretched. That is why it started vibrating. Then come to Shehnai, flute, mouth organ. And what will be Tanmay's keyboard's vibration? Vibrating body.
Strings.
String. It is also is a part of string, but it is more digitalized. Correct? It is if there is current only you will play. Correct? Is it so?
Yes.
Yes. Otherwise, you will not able to play. Yeah. And air column also. Okay. So on the basis, All the instruments divided into 4 categories. The first category we call it woodwind. If you want, you can just write down these 4 names on the basis of different sounds and different pitch, loudness and sweetness. We have 4 types of instruments: woodwind, string, percussion, brass. Woodwind, string, percussion, brass. These are the 4 types of instruments. Woodwind, that is made up of wood and plus it is making use of the air. That is with gone.
Ma'am, your video is off.
Yeah. Yes, it's okay. Fine. So woodwind, string, percussion, brass. Clear? Now, what are the examples of woodwind? Anyone can tell me, Gauri Parvati? One wind instrument.
Flute.
Flute. Okay, very good. And next, this one. Abhinav Bijoy, string instrument. Can you give an example?
Guitar.
Guitar. It's a string instrument. Okay, fine. So next, percussion. What do you mean by percussion? Okay.
Drums.
Drums. Okay. All that band instruments. Okay. Now, did you hear about the brass?
Yes. Trumpet.
Trumpet. What we use. So these are the pictures of all the 4 instruments. Woodwind instruments make music by blowing the air. So woodwind instruments are made by blowing the wind. So these are some of the example: flute, piccolo, bassoon, you know, mouth organ also comes, clarinet. These all are out of India, no? Clarinet and all we will see in the European countries and all. Some of us also play these all, bassoon, all those things. Okay. Otherwise, our more traditional thing is flute. Flute is a Indian instrument. Flute. Then mouth organ. Mouth organ is a Indian instrument. Others all are made out of India people. Okay. That is why the name clarinet, oboe, piccolo, bassoon, all those things. Now, come to the strings instruments, make music by plucking. So each sound is produced by different reason. So musical instruments, this is for one word answers or to identify. A set of instruments are given to you. You are to identify whether it's a string, percussion or other 2. Clear? Yes. So that is what? Violin, guitar, so many, and harp. That is also, you must have seen some of the European movies. Then come to percussion instrument, tabla, mridangam, all this tapping instruments. Percussion instruments make music. Percussion instruments make music by striking, shaking or scraping. Okay, shaking, striking, shaking or scraping. So like Tanmay has just to press each note down. Okay, hitting, we call it, can hit it. But striking means guitar. Guitar always we strike it with that one. What do you call for that? A small thing. What you play guitar? Yes, that one. Okay, tambourine, piano, all those things. Now brass instruments, what we said, one is trumpet. You must have seen, this is tuba. This is also Latin American instrument. Trumpet you must have seen, French horn, trombone, tuba. All these are out of India things. Okay. So all these are all the different instruments. Shall I change it now? Complete? Okay. This is for 1 mark questions and all. Now, before we go to the sound produced, I come to the point of, I told Tanmay to read. Tanmay to read in different notes, fast pitch and low pitch and something like that. So now we are going to learn the next heading, terms related to sound. What do you mean by the terms related to sound? There are some scientific terms you need to study.
Amplitude.
Huh? You want to see the previous one? Hello? Someone is saying
No,
something?
ma'am, I was just telling a term. Ma'am,
Yes?
can you hear me? Ma'am,
Yes, I
I was
can.
just telling about the amplitude. Amplitude.
Gauri Pardi said, tell me.
Ma'am, I was just telling amplitude. Amplitude.
Oh, amplitude. Okay, fine. I hear some echo is coming. That is what. Totally some problem here. Studio number 13. Okay. So we have time up to 3 o'clock now. So we are almost finishing today's class, but we can only write terms related to sound. We will learn detail after next class. Ishas, Rudras, other 4 of them playing the music. No more excuses. Okay, Isa, you promise you have to keep up. Everyone. Okay. So these are things. As Gauri Parvati said, amplitude. Yes. Frequency. Please write down. After writing, we will wind up. Third one, time period. You must have heard about all this, I hope so. Then comes to the speed of the sound. Speed of the sound, or we call wave velocity. This is physics terms. Speed of the sound, wave velocity, amplitude, frequency, time period. And fifth one, wavelength. Okay. Because each of these terms are something related to the sound, what we are playing in the music. Okay. This is all in scientific terms, but each one of these terms are representing some of the features of the sound you heard, what Tanmay played, and as well as the different sounds, especially the music. That is why music is the thing to learn all these terms separately. Other sound we may not hear much, because music is a continuous vibration and not you play one line of the song, happy birthday to you. That is continuous in lots of variations, and all these terms is a matter for that beautiful tune of it. Okay, children, have you completed this? I hope we can wind up the session now. Yes. Shall I?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So next class, while this your friends will play the music, I'll explain to you each one. What do you mean by amplitude? What do you mean by frequency? And what is the implication in playing the music? Okay.
Ma'am, so next class also should I bring?
No need, Tanmay, because today you played. No, it's okay. Okay,
Yeah.
well done. Yeah, practice, because you can be a good keyboard player. Really, you played well.
Ma'am, I did not practice.
Okay, very good. Thank you.